Precision grinder. In this type of grinder, a movable spindle is fitted in the grinding wheel. This spindle is fitted on a table along with a motor. With this spindle, the grinding wheel can be turned in forward, backward, left, or right direction, in running condition. Jobs of excellent finish and accuracy are grinded with it. There are various types of precision grinders are available. They are: cylindrical grinder. The surface which has been made plane by shaper or planer are grinded with this grinder. The cylindrical surface is grinded with a machine, in which grinding wheel is fitted on the shaft of a free electric motor. In this type, the grinding wheel is fitted on the machine's work table, which can be given crossfeed and the entire surface of the job can be grinded.
Cracks, or even the slightest defect in a grinding wheel, can cause it to burst while in service, which can cause devastating bodily injury and machine damage. Cracks in grinding wheels are often invisible to the naked eye and are a serious safety concern. A ring test should be done to detect cracks in vitrified wheels. A ring test is performed upon receipt from the manufacturer, or whenever a wheel is removed from storage. The test is also performed before the wheel is mounted on a flange assembly. While testing, light and small wheels can be held on a finger or supported by a mandrel, while heavier wheels can be placed upright on the floor. A wooden board should be placed between the wheel and floor if the floor is concrete. Once the wheel is in position for ring testing, visualize the center line on the wheel face. Then use a non-metallic or a copper hammer to lightly tap the wheel on one side of that center line. Repeat the tap on the opposite side of that line. Then tap again approximately 90 degrees from the previous location. A crack-free vitrified wheel will emit a clear, bell-like ringing sound. The ringing sound occurs because the glassy structure of the bonded material has the ability to transmit sound across the wheel matrix. A dull and dead sound anywhere on the wheel indicates the wheel is cracked. If the wheel is cracked, the sound waves stop at the crack, and the sound heard is dull or deadened. A cracked vitrified wheel should never be used for grinding.